So, hi Georgina, thank you very much for agreeing for me to come round and see your conservatory. You had your conservatory done by Conservatory Insulation Specialists. So what was your experience overall, would you say, with the whole process?
The process was, to start with, obviously we paid the money and we were a bit nervous about whether it's actually going to happen or not.
Right.
It was delayed, but that was unforeseeable.
Yeah.
You know, situation with the installers.
Yeah.
But then they very quickly rebooked, which was brilliant. And
oh,
then
brilliant.
Once they were here, they got on with it. They were really self-sufficient, and you know, they did tidy everything away. They left the stuff we wanted to keep.
Yeah.
And they did a brilliant job. They explained it as they went along.
Yeah.
And they were very friendly and professional. So yeah.
Oh, that's brilliant.
Yeah, really good.
And have you noticed a difference in the temperature, would you say?
This is an amazing room. It's a proper room now. So
yeah.
It used to be like a greenhouse sieve.
Yeah.
And now it's nice and it's warm. You know, you can obviously, we've got the windows so we can open them if we need to.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a proper workspace.
Yeah.
Now.
And it looks great. It looks really good. It's lovely in here.
Yeah.
Well, thank
So
you.
now we've got, you know, this nice new roof, and
yeah,
the light is really nice as well in here.
So you haven't noticed it not as light as before? Is it the same, would you say, or?
I mean, it's the same. The thing is that obviously before it was either like an oven,
yeah,
you know,
yeah,
or a freezing cold sieve.
Yeah. Yeah.
So now it's just a proper room. So.
Brilliant. And finally, would you recommend us to family and friends?
Yes, definitely.
Brilliant.
Okay.
Thank you very much, Georgina.
Right.
Thank you.